Okay, this is the most common problem that we have seen with our customers. That is 403 forbidden error. To solve this problem, we have to first understand why this problem occurs. There are two reasons. First one is wrong file permission and second one is .htaccess configuration issue. Now we will move further for the first method. We always say watch this video first and then perform to avoid any conflict. And subscribe to our domain research channel to get videos on your request. You can comment below for your queries, so we will come up with a new video solutions. Okay, now we will move further to start a solution. For that, log in into your cPanel. Now click on File Manager and locate this particular file. In this case, go to the public underscore HTML and we are at the demo1. So in this case, demo1 is given here. And here you can able to see that the file name index.html is actually giving an error 403 forbidden error. To solve this, we have to change a permission. To change a permission, here 2 points need to be noted. Okay, let me go back. If it is a folder or directory, that time we always recommend to set 755. And if it is a file, so in this case always set 644 permission. To set the permission, right click and click on change permission, and here you can able to change a permission. So here 644 has to be set. And hit on change permissions. Now we have changed our permission. In rare cases, the permission might not get changed. So in this case, contact your web hosting provider. They will help you in changing a file permission. Sometimes we have seen that 644 permission is already set to the file. Then also you are getting the 403 forbidden error. In this case, just go back and check the permission of their particular folder. So in this case, check the folder permission has set to 755. If it is not, then change it to 755. In this case, here it is showing 244. Now we will change this and hit on change permissions. If you wanted to learn in a depth about a file permissions or a folder permissions, then you can able to read this particular article. In that article, we have given all possible answers. So might be why. Second one, how to change. Third one, basic understanding about these things. And fourth one, what things represent what. This is the first method, that is a file permission, and next one is .htaccess configuration issue. Here you are not able to see any .htaccess file. To know how to show hidden files, so in this case go to the search.domainracer.com and type here hide file cPanel. You will get the video. So by watching this video, you can able to show all hidden files available in the cPanel. Let me show you. Here it is the option, click on save. Here it is the .htaccess file. To edit this particular file, first learn about .htaccess file programming and then you can able to perform this operation, because this has to be done at a development level. If you don't know, then you have to contact your developer to fix this issue. And finally, thanks for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe.
Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update.